Welcome back to Uprising. I'm Sonali Kolhatkar. Today is Mumia Abu Jamal's 61st birthday. The political prisoner and award-winning journalist has spent the majority of his birthdays behind bars. Since his conviction at the age of only 28 for the murder of a white police officer in Philadelphia, Abu Jamal has not let incarceration silence him. He has written books, regularly recorded radio commentaries, and done so much. His supporters, who maintain his innocence, have successfully agitated and organized to thwart his execution, but been unsuccessful in obtaining his release. Recently, Abu Jamal experienced a dangerous medical situation, for which he was hospitalized. The incident sparked renewed concerns over his health and accusations that the state might be trying to kill him through medical negligence. Joining us now for an update on Mumia Abu Jamal is Noel Hanrahan of Prison Radio. Welcome to the program, Noel.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
We were going to be joined by Jamal ibn Mumia, that is Mumia Abu Jamal's oldest son, but at the very last minute he actually got the opportunity to visit his father on his birthday. We're hoping to bring him on by phone, but in the meanwhile, thank you for coming back on the program. We'd had you on recently, and when we last talked to you, the situation was quite grim. There was a lot of work that you and others were doing to convince prison authorities for Mumia Abu Jamal to have the best care. What is the latest situation?
We learned 2 days ago that the prison has refused to allow Mumia's doctor to talk to the physicians in the infirmary, has refused to allow the doctor to conduct an examination in person, and also is not giving Mumia adequate diagnostic and treatment plans. So we are at a very critical moment. Mumia has chronic conditions that were not treated adequately in the very place that he is right now, which is the infirmary. So while he's able to test his own blood for high sugar levels, he's able to monitor multiple times a day, we are still deeply concerned about the level of care that this correctional corporation, Wexford, and the Pennsylvania Department of Corrections is allowing Mumia Abu Jamal to have, and as well many other prisoners. Mumia is not alone in this situation in terms of inadequate medical neglect.